Hey everyone, so today we're going to be doing the unboxing for the month of February BirchBox. So if you stay tuned, we'll see what's in the box in the video. Hey everyone, okay, so for today we're doing, like I said earlier, the month of February's BirchBox. It's got this little kind of like maze theme to it. It's got pink and white. And which is a lot different than January, which was a pull drawer. And December was like this flip top with like a little, picture kind of setting. So with this, of course, you get the standard little card. Most of the cards have like a inspirational saying or helpful tip on them. This one happens to be BirchBox tip 179, or number 179. It says, going to bed with a clean face is one of the easiest ways to prevent breakouts, which I find is actually quite true. So just move stuff out of the way. Alright, so for this, it seems like they're continuing the little tissue paper theme for most of the boxes. And then inside of it, and like always, I will read off of this if I want to find out like specifically what it's for and everything. So first we've got the Glow Milk from Beauty Crop. You can see it a little better. Comes in this cute little milk carton kind of packaging. And then you just like open the little top here. And then inside it's got a little plastic thing that is holding the jar. Now I'm not entirely sure if this is a full size, because I did look up this product on their website because I'd already opened up the box and everything. Yeah, so this is a 0.18 milliliter for this teeny tiny little thing. I'm not entirely sure if this is the full size or not. I'm assuming not, because most of these are supposed to be trial sizes. But just on the odd chance that it was. Okay, so this one, it is the Glow Milk Highlighter. It's Pearl Pressure. Yeah, that's what it says. Full size is supposed to be $19.50. It's enriched with coconut with this warm beige highlighter, illuminates and hydrates. Get a healthy glow by applying a few drops on high points of your face and blending with your fingers. Now I had tried this out already. So it is very, very pretty. It does go on. It is like really nice. It is very buildable, which is something I really like. And if you open it up, then you kind of have it like on the applicator itself. So I actually haven't had to physically squish it and drop anything. I just kind of like dotted what was already currently on the applicator. So a little does go a very long way. And I'm just going to pop that in there. Whatever. Okay, so the next item in here, and I've already have a full-size version of this. It is the Perfect Repair Treatment Mask from Nature Labs. So it's this. And I haven't used the full-size one, have I? No, I don't think I've used the full-size one. So it is quite nice to get a sample of that again. And that's basically just supposed to be a deep conditioning mask that you can use. You just put it on for like 3 minutes or whatever. Sorry, I had an itch. Alright, so something got on that one. Alright, so this is the Love of Colors Liquid Shadow. This one is in Stardust. Now, my problem with these that I have, because I have another one, I think it's called Daybreak or something like that. When I looked in the box just to see what was in it, I saw this immediately and was like, I already have this. But when I grabbed my other one, I noticed that it was in a different color from what it said, and the shades are very similar. So, like the other one, It has, you know, a little doe foot applicator. The other thing I find with these is that they're not blendable. That it's kind of a, you need to put it and leave it, because it does not like to blend. But just so you can see it a little better. Okay, the next item we have is the R&Co Rodeo Star Thickening Style Foam. Let's see, this one is supposed to add instant volume and lift to your hair with a non-sticky hair foam. You apply like 1 to 2 pumps to damp hair, and then you blow dry it out. So there's that. Haven't tried it yet, but I don't normally blow dry and style my hair very often. It's usually just blow dry it and pray that it dries, because it never seems to want to. Alright, last item in the box is the Embrolissi or something like that. I can't figure it out. I'll show you guys up close so you can see it. But it's supposed to be, let's see, it is a concentrate dry skin cream. This is designed to reduce signs of aging as it oh, bless me. Okay. Deeply hydrates your skin. You'll notice fine lines looking more filled in the skin, or filled in the skin, and looked more supple. So it is an anti-aging, yeah, there you go. It is an anti-aging serum of some kind. So, it's not too bad for its size. So it comes with this little pamphlet of instructions, but most of us don't even bother to read it. Now, I had opened this just to see what it is. I found out that this is metal, actually. So it's kind of like the old-fashioned Neosporin kind of containers. You can see you could squish it right there and it stays. It has a little puncture section for the cap. Oops. Oh no. It leaked into the... That was a bad idea. But yeah, so it's got a little puncture section in the cap, so you can, if you can see that, you can pop the seal. So I'm gonna have to set that aside, but that is what it looks like. I accidentally squished it a little too hard. So guess we're doing a try on later. I just gotta clean my face off a little. Alright, but that is it for the box again. So you get the glow drops, you get the that lotion for anti-aging, the Love of Colors liquid eyeshadow, the R&Co thickening styling foam, and you get the hair mask from Nature's Lab. Alright, so thank you guys for watching so very much, and I will add into my next video for BirchBox, because I have another box to do, the moisturizer that I'm going to apply on my face, because I gotta clean my face real quick and everything. So thank you guys for watching. If you could like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Yeah.